What is going on, everybody? Today I will be playing some Roblox. I don't know what game though. So we might be playing Power Sim, Dungeon Quest, Build a Boat, Hole in the Wall. I'm a noob in Dungeon, but I'm gonna try and become a higher level, so let's just try that. Let me see if sorry about that. So oh, where the heck is my face cam? Well, we're not doing that. Okay. Let's go in. Oh my god. Ready? Get that dog. What the heck is it taking so long? Here we go. What the heck? Where's my face cam? If you guys could see my face cam, well, I guess, I don't know if you guys could see my face cam or not. I just don't think you are, so I'm just gonna play. Oh, mouse. Very loud. I'm kind of a noob. Let me hook up my keyboard real quick. What the heck is touching it? For some reason I like keyboard play. Not sponsored by the way. Here we go. Okay, let's hop into a match. Yeah, you see I'm gonna do it. I don't think I could do it by myself in this. Let's try it. Oops. For some reason I can't find my mouse pad. So yeah, I don't want to tell you what I'm using, but it kind of sucks. But it's just a shirt. And I just got it for some. Jesus, what the? Yeah, I think I could do this dungeon myself. I'm so confused with my controls. I didn't think I can. How about we play a different game? One moment. Okay, back. Why don't we... There. I kind of like it there. I'm gonna try this game. Hobby. Jesus, for some reason. Very lucky. I've seen YouTubers complete this. Like, very hard. No, I made it. It didn't count. Let's go. Ooh, my dog just got intruded. Ooh. Go, peoples. Oh shoot, I hate these. I hate these. This game's a little too hard for me on this, because I'm not that good at all these. Why don't we end it off with like 2 rounds of hole in the wall? Very laggy. Face camera. Let me check something real quick. Okay, I'm And if you guys haven't subscribed to my other channel, it's still Kevin Domingo, but if you haven't subscribed to my sister's channel, it's LukeMail016, my username. It used to be mine, but I took over this one. And go subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It's at Luke, just Luke, Luke. Oh, I do actually. Okay, we could do this first. We all have Dragon Head. Come on, Dragon Head. Yeah, I just started this channel, so it's not that great. Oh, it's just so easy. For eating. Hard. How's that hard? All you do is do a dive. Or jump dive. Jump dive. What? Oh, that's another one. Oh shoot. Use the mouse. Grab the mouse. I messed up so bad. I will be ending it off right here. So, go check out my other YouTube channel, Luke. Please subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out any of my other uploads. Like the video and turn that little bell on. And see you on the next video. Bye.